So as I look at my picture and my painting, because when I first started to paint it, I didn't know what I was going to paint. But as it's turned out and I look at it, there's a lot of darkness in the sky, but also stars and a lot of light, because I've known a lot of light in my life. I've had love, a lot of love. I've known great love. There's some family icky stuff there and things that have brought me down and the past, but I seem to have sailed past all of that now to a new, bright and happy present. And I just want to live my life in the present now and not worry about the future, send light to the past, and to celebrate all the happy, lovely things that have happened.